Hello, my friends. I'm so excited about today's assignment. We are going to use a fun website to create our very own comic strip. It's called Pixton. This Pixton assignment, we're going to create our very own comic strip based on our favorite animals. So in class, we'll discuss all of our favorite animals, and you guys get to pick which one you want to do your presentation on. So the learning objectives for this is we're going to research and find 3 fun facts about our favorite animal. You're going to create a Pixton comic strip with at least 6 different slides, and you're going to practice using full and complete sentences in your comic strip on the speech bubbles. So some things that you can do on the Pixton website is create your very own avatar, so you can make a little figure that looks like you. You can pick out your favorite background that you want. They have tons of different options. You can do an animal at a farm, in the ocean, at the zoo, in the forest. There's really so many options to pick from. And then you're going to be able to bring your characters to life by changing their facial expressions, being able to change their outfits, and by creating speech bubbles so that they're having a conversation. So here's an example of my favorite animal that I made, or the Pixton that I created based on my favorite animal. And so I'm going to just share that with you guys really quick. So I picked a little avatar that was already made, and I put her in a classroom setting as if she's presenting this presentation to the class. So it says, "Hi class, my name is Susie, and today I will be telling you guys about my favorite animal." And here we're going to switch backgrounds. And it says, "My favorite animals are dolphins. I think they are so cute. Dolphins can be found all around the world, and they don't all look the same. There are 36 different types of dolphins." That's our first fact right here. "Dolphins love to eat fish. They have between 80 to 100 teeth. That's a lot of teeth." That's my second fact right there. And my third is right here. "Lastly, did you know that dolphins love to make all kinds of noises? They whistle, click, and squeak, just to name a few." So here we are back into the classroom. It says a little caption, "Classmates clapping all together, saying, 'Good job, Susie.'" And so then the professor walks in. "Great job on your presentation, Susie. Thank you for taking us under the sea to meet your favorite animal." And Susie says, "Thank you, professor, and thank you, class. I hope you enjoyed it." So something short and sweet like that. There's 6 slides. There's 2 different backgrounds. There's speech bubbles in all of them. And in the background, you can see my favorite animal. And as you can see, I also did a little outfit change. You don't need to do an outfit change on your main character, but you are more than welcome to play around, and you can move her around different parts of the ocean. Get creative with it, class. Create your very own Pixton comic strip. You're going to go to app.pixton.com. You're going to open up to this page. You're going to click Create Now, and it's going to ask you to name your comic. So we're going to do it. As you can see, it opens up to this page right here, and you can pick a background. So in order to find the ones that have the animals on it, you could put zoo. Let's just do forest. There's a lot of just like nature ones, but in some of them you might be able to find some animals from there. Let's see. Oh yeah, right here if you want to do like a deer, there's an elephant. You can also put ocean. There's an octopus or a squid. Some dolphins over here, sharks, a whale, birds. Maybe you can remember the insects. And you have more. So we're gonna go with this one for now. We have a monkey, a hippo, bird, and then you go to characters. And if you're gonna find yourself here, you pick whichever one. I'm gonna go with this one. So here's my character, and I have her standing right there. You could change the focus of it, where you want your then here is where you can add a little caption. Wow, look at all these animals. And you do a little check mark to save. There's your little speech bubble. You can change her face if she looks more excited. Maybe let's try this one. There it is. And you can also have actions. You can change their position. I'm going to leave her where she's at. And then for your next one, you would add a panel. And you continue until you have all 6 of them, okay? I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, class. I know it's going to be so great. Good luck and have fun.